What's up, guys? So we are back again with another video. This week, we've had our braids for a couple of weeks, so it is time to switch it up. So today we're going to be accessorizing and add a pop of color to our box braids, knotless braids, whatever style of braids you have, because honestly, it can get boring. So I'm going to be using these colors. Now this is just your regular craft thread. It's not a special hair thread. I also got some of the braiding accessories that I'm going to add in gold, of course. So I am going to actually start. I'm kind of seeing where I want it because I want to kind of be like that peekaboo kind of look. So I'm going to start with the red. And for this one, I do them all different ways. It just kind of depends on how I'm feeling when I start. So this one, I am doing an easy wrap method. You kind of just fold a partial end and then you start wrapping down, kind of like making a faux dread or like threading the hair. Alright, so we have our red done. Next up, we are going to do the yellow. And again, I am just making sure I am placing it exactly where I want it. So this you can do any way. You can do a horizontal. You can just place them randomly. I just wanted them straight in a row together next to one another. Just so when I wear my hair up in a ponytail and leave the back out, you can see. So this is me fighting with the thread, so be careful, guys. You are gonna fight with it. And it was like no matter how long I cut it, it was just never enough. Alright, so like I told you, I kind of do these a little different for each one. So this one, I'm kind of just doing the wrap. I don't even know what it's called. It's like a single knot. I'm not sure what it's called. I just learned this along the way as I learned how to braid. So we wrap again, and again, this is the same type wrap method, just like your threading hair. You just wrap it all the way down, and voila, we're done with the yellow. Now I will advise, this is time consuming, and probably because of the way I did it, you may be able to find a faster way, but this is just how I've always done it. So now we are going in with the green. Now with the green, I did do that wrap method that I did with the yellow just because it seemed to be a lot easier. And for some reason, I don't know why the green gave me the most difficult time, but I finally got it. So we are finished with our threading and our accent colors. Yes, honey. And then this one over here, it was just the white one I added when I first did my hair. Alright, so we're done with that. So now, this is the fun part. We're going in with the hair, the goat hair accessories. So with the string that came in the package, I actually cut it in half. And then what I'm going to do is literally just braid it down this twist. I mean, and again, this is your hair, your style, so you can do however you want, how much you want. It's really up to you. Trust me, if I could do more, I would have done more. I'm just that extra. So yeah, just go ahead. You can braid it down, wrap it around, whatever style you like. This is very easy to work with. You get to the end, I just double knot it and cut the excess string off. So we are still adding in those accent pieces, and you just want to place them in random places. I had a few, I don't know if you can see, that have little crowns on the end. They're so cute, but I will advise they do fall off a lot. Me jamming. So I am almost done, guys. Almost there. And like I said, this may be a lot quicker for you if you like a little less. And I'm just going in there, adding more pieces. It's not that it hurts. It's just for some reason I cannot get it to close no matter how hard I pressed. All right, y'all. So I am actually at the end, and I'm just, you know, doing my, like I told you, my signature hairstyle, kind of trying to see what it's looking like. So now that it's been approved, I am going to take it down because I'm actually wearing my hair down. Me and the hubby are getting ready to go to the beach, and I'm going to actually try and link that video. I'm going to post on our family page. But this is it. It's finished. Of course, I am feeling myself. I am proud of myself because I do thank God for giving me the gift of creativity to be able to come up with these different styles. And I hope you guys enjoy. And if you do try any of these accessories, how about you guys post them and tag me in them? You can find me on any of my socials found in the description box below. All right. Once again, we love you guys. Have a great day, y'all. Bye.